When it comes to polishing my jewelry, I literally have tried so many tools, like a lot. And depending on what you're making, rings, bangles, necklaces, some tools work better than others for those specific projects. So for example, some things might work better for rings, some things might work better for bangles. There's truly a lot of different polishing tools you can pick up and add to your bench that are going to make your polishing process so much easier. In this specific video, I'm going to talk to you guys about my go-to polishing step for working with rings and jewelry with large surface areas. So bangles, thick bands. Polishing step is my go-to for making those large surfaces shine up and have this professional mirror-like finish. So this is the variable speed polishing motor by Bench Basics. This is one of my favorite little polishing gadgets at my bench, and I want to thank Pepe Tools for sponsoring this video. I am just loving getting the opportunity to work with this incredible brand. I have been buying things from Pepe Tools for so long, so being able to work with them and create these videos to share with you guys my favorite products of theirs is just awesome. Make sure to check them out. We love Pepe Tools. They're my favorite. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this baby works. I'm going to polish up some of my jewelry that I'm currently working on, and I'm going to show you a sneak peek into my polishing process and show you guys how this baby works and what polishing compounds I use. And we are actually going to be moving this outside because it is so beautiful outside. So let's finish this up and let me show you how this works. Come on. Hi, Roscoe. Look at all these gorgeous sunflowers. Also say hi to my little chickies. Everybody's enjoying the sunshine today. We're gonna set up my polishing motor onto my little picnic bench. So we're gonna be using the polishing motor to shine up these rings. My favorite polishing compound for polishing up all of my rings is my rouge. I use this in all of my tutorials. I use this for all of my jewelry. It's my absolute last step, and I'm going to show you guys how sparkly this compound will get your jewelry, and especially when you're using a polishing motor like this one. So first off, my favorite thing about this machine is how compact and lightweight it is. I love that I can bring it outside to polish, and it just gives me kind of the opportunity to get out of my studio and work outside in the sunshine. So the first thing I do is I have this extension cord so I can plug it in outside. So the motor comes with two polishing buffs. This is my polishing buff that has the rouge, and then this is my polishing buff that has the Tripoli. I always have both my buff wheels ready to go so I can simply set it up and just get straight to work. Okay, so we are going to polish up a few of my rings. So we have my rouge polishing compound and then two rings that we are going to sparkle up. So as you can see, this is the before. They're both just looking a bit dull. You guys are going to be so impressed how shiny this is going to look after we polish it on the motor. Polishing motor is truly my favorite for any sort of jewelry pieces that have a lot of surface area like this thick band stack. The polishing wheel lets me put good force on the ring, and I'm able to really polish up the whole surface really quickly. This is also something really awesome about this polishing motor. I can clean up things so fast. So if you have a handmade jewelry business and you are busting out jewelry pieces, this is a great product for you. Okay, so first we're just going to turn this baby on, and I'm going to apply the rouge polishing compound, and you'll start to see it get kind of nice and red. And you see why I kind of like to do it outside. It can just get like a little messy. So my voice might get a little muffled. I'm just going to be throwing on my safety mask. Okay, so let's turn this baby back on. And you can already see how shiny it's getting. I'm holding on to the polishing motor just because I don't have it mounted down at the moment.
So I'm just rotating the ring as I apply the polishing compound. And you can tell it's getting so sparkly.
You can definitely see how sparkly that ring just got, and that was just me putting it on the polishing wheel for about like 10 seconds. See the umbrella in the ring, I can see my iPhone in the ring, and that is why I love my little polishing motor. Alright guys, that wraps up my little video sharing with you guys my favorite polishing motor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I linked this below if you guys want to check it out. I highly recommend this at your bench. It is my favorite tool. And make sure to subscribe. I plan to create more and more videos for you guys, especially talking about polishing and the process, because for me personally, when it came to the polishing process, I was so confused on what I needed when I was polishing. I feel like as you practice and you silversmith more, you guys will start to slowly gather more and more tools and learn how to really use these tools and machines and bits to make your jewelry look so great. There's definitely a great foundation of tools that you should have at your bench just to get started, so I plan to share that with you guys. And let me know what you guys like to do for your polishing process. I am here to learn as well and connect with you guys, so make sure to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with some more. Also let me know what you guys want to learn next. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you.